So I already made a video about this. This is my part 3. I'm just gonna show you guys. One piece already broke off, so I just already threw it away. You guys saw that liquid falling. So I'm gonna show you guys how to melt this. Right? You guys ready? Let's go ahead and turn this on to hot water. Oh shoot, that's already hot. So then you fill up the case with hot water. Okay. And look, it pops out like really easy. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. And now I can use another DIY. I can do another DIY. Popped out really easy. So, hold up. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Cut it off. So this is the bearing. Spin bearing. So this is the case. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off. So that's pretty much it. So yay! Like that.